How to read and understand your gas bill. You may think your gas bill looks complicated. Let's walk through a typical Washington gas bill together so you can understand your charges and stay in control of your energy cost. First, you'll see a graph showing your gas usage compared to the previous month. Keep in mind that weather can cause monthly usage to fluctuate. Your account information is to the right of the graph, detailing your previous balance, recent payments or credits, and new charges. This provides a quick financial snapshot of what you owe. Your bill is calculated by subtracting your previous usage reading from the current one. This is measured in therms. Your total gas charges are broken down into 3 key components. First, distribution service, the cost of delivering gas to your home and business plus your usage. Under distribution, there are various charges that benefit district residents. Residential Essential Service Surcharge assists eligible households with discounts from November through April. The Project Pipes Adjustment helps fund an accelerated pipeline replacement program in the district. The Customer Charge is a flat monthly charge covering equipment depreciation, maintenance, and meter reading. Second, Natural Gas Supply Service, the cost of purchasing the gas itself and transporting it to the gas company. And third, taxes. The DCPSC doesn't set these other charges. Delivery tax is set by the DC Council. Understanding your gas bill helps you make smarter energy choices and potentially save money on future bills.